You've got a list to call. The talking is the easy part. It's everything around it that eats your afternoon. The power dialer takes that off your plate. When you call a list by hand, your time goes to dialing, waiting, and taking notes, not to the conversation. The power dialer handles the rest, so you just talk. There are a few ways to bring in your contacts, directly from a CRM, like HubSpot, through the API, by uploading a CSV, from an MCP client like Claude, or by selecting them right here in Allo. Let's do that last one. Right here in Allo, I open my contacts and check off the people I want to call, one by one. When the list looks right, I send the whole thing straight to the power dialer, and in a few seconds, it's loaded and ready to start calling. There's your cue. Every contact comes with their full card, company, role, notes, and your history with them. That's the context you'll have on screen for every call. Hit Start Session, a quick countdown, and Allo dials the first contact for you. Notice you're not dialing anything. While it rings, Allo plays hold music, so it's not beeps all day. Emma picks up, her card is right there, and you just talk. When you're done, you move on, and Allo keeps going, calling the next contact and the next. If someone doesn't answer, it logs the call and jumps ahead on its own, working straight down your list. You stay in control the whole time, skip a contact, pause between calls, end the session whenever. And when a call hits a voicemail, Allo can skip it for you automatically. At the end, a session summary, calls dialed, who answered, the outcome for each contact, and every call gets its AI summary in your inbox, so your notes are already written. And that's it. Now you know how to use the power dialer with Allo.